Hi y'all, I bought me a walking pad. It's like a baby treadmill. This don't say walking pad on the box, but it said walking pad when I bought it. It says treadmill for home. It's by TREAFLOW. This is how it looks. 3,100. Okay, I'm gonna cut these bands. Just a minute. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Cut these bands. I'm not gonna tear up the box just in case it has to go back. I may have to put it back in the box. It comes packaged up nicely. Okay, cord. Got a remote control. Got a little, what's it called, hex wrench, whatever that thing is called. Okay, we're gonna see what all this is for. We got some oil. Is there anything in there? Yeah. Is that Roy?
Yep.
Y'all hear that music in the background? The man's name is Roy Hamilton. Black man. He sounds just like Elvis. Okay. You got it packaged nicely. Let's see. Oh, that's got it. Oh, it's still taped. Okay, I'm gonna get it out the box and I'll be back. Okay, this is how it looks. It's supposed to have a phone holder. I probably go through the box again and find it. That's the way it looks. I haven't plugged it in yet. There's the plug. Let me just show you. Show you the name of it. TREAFLOW. TREAFLOW. And I have to take all this plastic off and this tape off right here. And this has 2 screws for something, like a phone holder. Okay, I gotta read the instructions. Okay, this is the phone holder, cell phone holder. It was taped to the inside of the box. And I have to screw it on. Got these kind of screws. Okay. I'll be back. Here's the remote. It has a little tab that you pull because it has batteries in it already. So I'm going to pull these tabs out. I mean that tab out so it'll work. Okay, here's the phone holder. It came with 2 screws that were screwed into the bottom of this. So you're supposed to take them out and use this little heck wrench thingamajig. And it got a screwdriver on the end of here. But anyway, so try not to drop it. I put 1 screw in there. Hold that. There it is. And I'm standing on the treadmill. It's supposed to hold up to 265 pounds. And last time I went to the doctor, I was 215 pounds. Yay, I'm happy. Okay, this is on here. Cell phone holder. My cell in the case. Let's see. It holds it. Oh. Got these little sticky grips on here. So phone in the case is not going to fall off of here due to the vibration. I'll be back when I do something else. Okay, it's plastic on here. So I'll be taking this off. I've seen people do reviews and they left the plastic on. I don't want to leave this mess on here. Okay. Now take this plastic off. I'll get this off of here. There you go. Okay. Okay, this is where I plug the cord into right there. There's the on-off switch. And I have to find out what those 2 screws are for. I'm going to show y'all the bottom of it. Okay, I'm holding it up. That's how the bottom of it looks. And these are the incline things I can, let me do this. I put it at a slight incline. See that? I can close it. And there's the vents. And you see it got little rollers on here to make it easier to move around. See the rollers? There's 2. Where is it? Right there. Okay, I'm going to lower this down. Y'all see. This is the, what's this, a rail handle? It folds down. It has some screws on the side of it where I can make it stay up, but I'm not going to have it in this position. I'll just keep it folded down when I store it. I'm not going to be unscrewing stuff every time I want to put it down. And what else? Okay, I'm about to turn it around so I can plug it in. And I'll be back. Okay, I turned it on. I plugged it in, turned it on. And you need your remote. So the remote has already been paired with this treadmill at the factory. I'm scared. Okay, I'm stepping on it. I don't know if I'm supposed to let it run first and then get on it. Okay, here's how the remote looks. Well, got a stop, start, and an M button. I don't know what the M is. I have to read some more. So I'm going to start it. So what's it doing? Oh, it's moving. Seems like it's going backwards. I'm scared. Ooh, I'm crazy. Let me stop it. And I'm going to get on it and then start it. I ain't one of them people that can run on treadmills. Okay, and I got my phone up here, and this remote is magnetic. Ooh, I'm scared. Let me put this phone down. Okay, I'm getting ready to turn this on again. Start. This is fast enough for me right now. I can use the plus or minus sign on the remote to speed it up. I'm going to make it go a little faster. It's a little faster. Go faster. Stop it. And I'm going to show you it don't stop all of a sudden. It'll count down. Okay. And let me see. Do my watch show that I did something? Yep. I got this Apple Watch. So, let me take this off of here. Let me sit down. I'm kind of on the tired side. I guess y'all say I ain't did nothing. Okay. It's supposed to be a walking pad, but it says treadmill on the box. But I don't run on treadmills, and I need to hold on to God's unchanging hand. Okay. I like it a lot. It's not going to stay here. I'm going to put it behind my chair in the living room, close to my big picture window. It'll be out the way, and it's a plug back there. So that's where I'll be using it. And I tried moving it, and I tilted it. And since it has the little bitty wheels on the end of it, that helps move it. So it makes moving it easy. Okay, what else? Let me turn this around. So once again, this is what it looks like. It's by the TREAFLOW company. Here's the remote up here. I think the whole thing, the side of it is magnetic too, so you can stick the remote anywhere to keep up with it. Okay, I want to know what this M is for without reading the book. Okay, I press start. You hear how quiet it is? That was important to me. And it has the plus sign up here to make it go a little faster. Let me see how fast it'll go. 7, 8. It don't go past 8, 9. Come on, y'all. Go back to 1. So it goes up to 9. And press the minus sign to slow it down. And I can put it at an incline if I want to. And it doesn't stop automatically. I'm going to press stop. And you're going to see. It's going to take number 4 countdown to stop. Okay. It seems like a well-made machine. Nice and sturdy. And let me show you these shoes I got on. They're kind of like barefoot shoes, sort of like what you wear to the water park. It feels like I'm barefoot, but I wouldn't dare. Take it off. Got these from Amazon. I've had these a couple days. That's how the treads look. Very nice. So these are for my walking pad only. And they say don't wear dirty shoes on here because the dirt and grit from the bottom of your shoe may get under this thing that goes around. What you call that? A little screen. And it got warnings on each end. It said do not step on that part. And they have instructions about how often you should oil up under here. And when you should clean it, there's a box underneath there that you open up and just clean it out. If you got a little vacuum with suction, just clean it out. If you got a lot of dogs and cats running around your house, cat hair will get caught under there. I got shaggy rug. That can get caught under there. So just clean it. But so far, I like it. And people were talking about the handrail being so low. I'm 5'9.5" inches tall. And it's perfect for me. So I love it. So I'll put the link for it in my description. Yep, I love it. Okay. Let me show my beautiful face one more time. Okay, y'all. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And the only thing I had to put together was screwing that little foam thing on top of the handrail. That's it. And plug it in. It came right out the box, ready to use. Even the remote was already paired to the machine. I like that too. All right. Whew, I'm tired. That was a workout for me and I ain't did nothing. Whew. Happy exercising. Bye, y'all. Okay, so I just used it again, and something else I noticed. Where it says time, it tells you how much time you've been on it, and it will light up whatever it's talking about. It show you the distance. A little light will show up under there, and for calories burned, the light will show there, and for the speed, the light will show there. Okay.